Zapier is an automation tool that connects various apps and services to streamline workflows. It allows users to create zaps that automate repetitive tasks, saving time and increasing efficiency. Here's how you can make money with Zapier. Offer automation as a service. Many businesses and freelancers struggle with manual tasks. You can offer Zapier automation services to streamline their workflows. Create custom zaps for clients that integrate the tools they already use to automate repetitive tasks. Freelancing on platforms. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have a demand for Zapier experts. You can offer to set up and manage zaps for clients who need help automating their business processes. As a beginner, you can start by offering basic zap creation and gradually take on more complex automation projects. Create and sell zaps. If you have a unique automation process, you can sell your zaps through Zapier's marketplace or other platforms. This can generate passive income as others purchase your pre-built zaps. Teach others Zapier. Create courses, tutorials, or ebooks that teach beginners how to use Zapier for automation. You can sell these on platforms like Udemy or your own website.